So my teacher is Kedu Kodi now.
What the Kwama? Came at Umazi.
And or Umazi no Princeton. Another one in Harvard University.
Who was also Harvard?
So Umazi, we are there. What is it? Like your son, where is he now? Is he around?
I don't know. What happened that one? You try something to drink.
I cannot eat from the house, but you were OG. Okay, Maka, you know what our people say? He who brings cola brings that. When you wear OG wear undo. So,
no sir.
Hey, uncle.
No so Kedu Kodi. Kedu
Odima.
Give me Odima. Odima.
I'm fine. Isn't that it?
Ghana food, you food, you too much.
Dad,
OG, I'm cola.
Oh, Coca-Cola? Okay.
See this boy, don't let me slap you here. Cola nuts.
Oh, but Dad, you have to be more specific.
Just go and get the cola, young boy. Oh, nah, Igbo. At all.
Alright, Dad. Do I give it to you or him?
Hey!
Wait. This is what you guys asked for, right?
With your left hand. My friend, give me a get out of here. Give me. Just go. Get out of here.
All my children, they know how to speak Igbo. And have you in my colony or Express Igbo? It's like a website. They teach you how to speak. All this I don't hear, I don't speak. They'll take care of it.
Hey, Dad. I'm taking out your car, or how do you guys say it? Moto. I'm taking it.
Hi.
This guy is just he's just a wasted sperm.
She tell me I'm bad.